Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima brake pads. First, gather your tools: a jack, lug wrench, C-clamp, and new brake pads. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and using jack stands. Remember to wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe brake job. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Use a wrench to remove the two guide pin bolts that hold the caliper in place. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor, being careful not to strain the brake hose. Support the caliper with a hanger or wire. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. A C-clamp works well for this, pushing the piston back into its bore. Then, simply slide the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Carefully position the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall and tighten the two guide pin bolts securely. With the caliper reassembled, reinstall your wheel and tighten the lug nuts. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Check your brake fluid reservoir to ensure the level is correct. Finally, drive carefully, avoiding hard stops, to properly bed in your new brake pads for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.